There, it's Chad from Everything Foam, and I just wanted to quickly share my story. And a lot of people ask how we got started, and it kind of began before I was ever in the mattress business. When I was in an accident, in a logging accident, I was hit with a tree in the head, and my face was smashed into the cabinets of the welding truck, and it caused me a lot of neck and back problems. And it didn't really show up until obviously a bit later, but that being said, when I got married, I got a job at a mattress store and worked there for about 6.5 years. During that time, tried many different types of mattresses and all these things, trying to get a solution to the pain that I was in. And so we were always switching beds. And anyways, we had a third baby, and when he was born, I just said to my wife, I'll just go sleep in the basement. And I ended up staying down there for 6 months because once Christian was born, it was more convenient. But the big difference was I just slept like a rock on this piece of foam that we had. And so that sort of started me into why is this working and how is this working. And once I kind of understood that the even support and the pressure relief was really helping my back and my arms, and at that point I just couldn't even sleep in our other mattress, which I would just spend all night tossing and turning in. I'd end up sleeping on the edge of it, which was a foam edge, and so that was kind of the final straw, and I sort of figured out, okay, let's just get a foam mattress, and once we did, just never really looked back. And we still actually own the original mattress that we built in 2002, so it's an amazing product. It lasts like nothing else, and the support and comfort is second to none. And the modular system that we do now allows you to kind of create any comfort at any time, so it's fantastic, and you just can't make a mistake with this type of a system, and you sleep fantastic, and that's the name of the game.